Very good evening to all of you. I, on my personal behalf and on behalf of Indira Gandhi National Open University, I welcome you all. I welcome you on this special session of teleconferencing where we are holding a certificate presentation ceremony for the earlier batches of certificate in motorcycle service and repair program, as well as we are conducting an induction and orientation session for the next batch, which is the 6th batch. We are today fortunate to have in this special session our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Pillai. We also have Mr. Dua, who is the Vice President of Hero Honda Motors Limited. He is with us and he has kindly agreed to participate in this program in spite of his busy schedule. I welcome him here in this special session of teleconferencing. Besides him, on the right side is Mr. Mukhija, who is the Deputy General Manager, Hero Honda Motors Limited. Thereafter, Professor Kumar, Professor P. Srinivas Kumar, Director in Charge, School of Engineering and Technology. And on the right, extreme right, is Dr. Shiv Kumar Vyas, who is the co-coordinator for this Hero Honda, IGNOU Hero Honda Motorcycle Technician Competency Development Project. I welcome you all. I welcome all the students who are here at the studios, as well as those who are there at our regional centers, our regional directors, their staff, and the Hero Honda officials at this moment present at different regional centers. Before starting the program, I would like to request our Honorable Vice Chancellor to present a bouquet to Mr. Anil Dua, Vice President, Hero Honda Motors Limited. Now I would like Professor P. Srinivas Kumar to present a bouquet to our Honorable Vice Chancellor. Now I request Dr. S.K. Vyas to welcome Mr. Mukhija presenting a bouquet. Thank you, Dr. Vyas. Now, for the formal welcome, I invite Professor P. Srinivas Kumar for welcoming our guests at the studio as well as our guests at this moment present at different regional centers. Professor Kumar.
Good evening, everybody. I, Professor P. Srinivas Kumar, on behalf of IGNOU and on my personal behalf, have a pleasure to welcome you all to the ceremony of distribution of competency certificate to the candidates who have successfully cleared all the requirements for the award of the certificate in motorcycle service and repair. This innovative program of competency development has been launched by IGNOU, a mega university, in association with the Hero Honda Motors Limited, HHML, which is one of the largest motorcycle manufacturing company in the world. Today, we have an auspicious presence of the leading force behind the unparalleled growth of HHML, Sri Anil Dua, the president of the company, who has been constant guiding force in developing and shaping the IGNOU HHML project. I welcome Mr. Dua on this occasion. So now I welcome the Honorable Vice Chancellor of IGNOU, Professor V. Rajashekaran Pillai, on this occasion, who is truly a great visionary, eminent educationist and a researcher. He is a great leader and known for us for his ability to achieve goals and missions. We are honored to have your presence, sir. I also take the opportunity to welcome Professor Om Prakash Mishra, who has been recently taken over as a Pro-Vice Chancellor. He is known to academician and professional in this field. I welcome you, sir. I also welcome our learners who have congratulated them, who have become eligible to receive their certificates of competency, and prospective candidates to the program present here in the studio and respective regional centers. Finally, I welcome all the present here in the studio at Delhi as well as in the regional centers, especially Mr. Rajesh Mukhija and Mr. Anil Chopra, who and their team from the HHML. The regional director of the IGNOU Regional Center and their team, the faculty members of the staff of IGNOU and the SOIT in particular. Last but not the least, I wish to put on record the hard, untiring work in by the team of IGNOU HHML project, especially Dr. Manoj Kulshrestha and Dr. Ravish Kumar Vyas. My heartily congratulations to them. Now,
Thank you.
Now I request.
Mr. Kumar. Now, friends, as I told, for this special session of teleconferencing, we are conducting the orientation and induction session for our 6th batch students who have been enrolled in this cycle of certificate in motorcycle service and repair at 11 centers across the country. So I'll be giving a presentation for the induction of the new students bilingually, sometimes in English and sometimes in Hindi also. So we start that induction program. Professor Mishra, our Pro Vice Chancellor, he is just now not here, but after some time he is expected to join us. So in the meantime, we start our induction and orientation program, where I will be making a presentation for the orientation of new students. For our guests at the regional centers, let me tell you that the phone numbers of the studio where we can make this program more interactive. The phone numbers are, the toll-free number is 1-800-112345. The other numbers are 2953-2844 and 2953-2845. The fax number is 2953-6134. So these are the phone numbers. The special time has been given for the interaction with the regional centers, but still, if you feel that at some point of time you want some intervention and ask some question or the query or some suggestions, please don't hesitate to obstruct us. But just now we will start our induction program. It is the certificate in motorcycle service and repair. This certificate has been launched in a joint initiation of Indira Gandhi National Open University and Hero Honda Motors Limited under the project IGNOU HHML Motorcycle Technician Competency Development Program. Before going into the details, further details of this orientation program, at the outset, I take this opportunity to welcome our new 3 centers which are there on the slide. You can see these 3 centers have joined in the 6th cycle, where People's College Mitra Niketan in Thiruvananthapuram, the Don Bosco Vyavahik Prashikshana Kendra in Chinchwad, Pune, and third is the Tool Room and Training Center, Amengaon campus in Guwahati. I welcome all the 3 centers who have joined in this cycle. So really it is a matter of pride for Indira Gandhi National Open University to have a collaboration with such kind of institutions, because we believe in networking. We believe that if a work has already been done or the infrastructure is already available in the country which we require for the program, we don't hesitate in joining hands with those organizations, and we want to make this program success by networking all the available facilities in the country. And in that series, the 3 institutions have joined from the 6th cycle. I hope in the next cycle some more institutions will join. We are in active consideration and interaction with other institutes also, who will be later joining in the next cycles. Now, before going into the details of this program, I would like to tell you about my university in 1 or 2 slides. Indira Gandhi National Open University is the world's largest university, having more than 125 programs, and we are catering more than million students. 1.4 million students have already been enrolled in this university. We have a strong network of 64 regional and sub-regional centers, out of which some are exclusively dedicated for defense personnel, and these are 5 for Army, 8 for Air Force and 4 for Navy. At the lower hierarchy, we have a strong network of study centers and program study centers, which are more than 1,500 in numbers across the country. And IGNOU at this moment not only catering to the students in the country, we have gone beyond our country limit, and we have our presence in 37 countries, where we have launched different kinds of programs as per the need of that particular country. Finally, we are providing higher education in the country as well as also assisting other developing countries to start the similar kind of program with a little modification as per their need. So these are basically the statistics of the university where we stand at this moment. आपको विश्वविद्यालय के बारे में मैंने ये जानकारी दी. ये जानकारी आप लोगों के लिए इस मायने से भी बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है कि जिस विश्वविद्यालय में आप पढ़ने आ रहे हैं, जिसमें आप एक शिक्षा ग्रहण करने आ रहे हैं, उस विश्वविद्यालय के लिए आप जानें ये विश्व का सबसे बड़ा विश्वविद्यालय है, जहां पे 125 पाठ्यक्रमों में लगभग 14 से 15 लाख के बीच में स्टूडेंट अध्ययनरत हैं. और ये सभी छात्र जो हमारे विश्वविद्यालय में हैं, ये 125 विभिन्न पाठ्यक्रमों में पढ़ते हैं और 1500 से अधिक जो हमारे अध्ययन केंद्र हैं, उन अध्ययन केंद्रों से ये अटैच हैं. और इनके साथ ही हमारे 64 क्षेत्रीय केंद्र हैं. इन क्षेत्रीय केंद्रों के माध्यम से हम अपने सारे प्रोग्राम अपने छात्रों तक पहुंचाते हैं, जो उन 1500 अध्ययन केंद्रों पर जाकर अपनी शिक्षा प्राप्त करते हैं. मैंने आपको बताया कि हमारे विश्वविद्यालय में जहां एक और हमारे देश में हमने अन्य कई प्रकार के पाठ्यक्रम शुरू किए हैं, इसके साथ साथ 37 अन्य देशों में भी हमने अपनी उपस्थिति दर्ज कराई है, जहां पे कि हम विभिन्न प्रकार के पाठ्यक्रम उस देश के अनुकूल लेकर आए हैं और वहां पे भी वहां के छात्र भी उन पाठ्यक्रमों से लाभान्वित हो रहे हैं. यदि हम विश्वविद्यालय के उद्देश्यों की बात करें तो आपको मालूम होगा कि हमारा विश्वविद्यालय पार्लियामेंट के एक्ट द्वारा बनाया गया. सन 1985 में we have been formed by an act of parliament, and this act gives us so many mandates. One of the mandates in the act given to us is to start some program for the marginalized and the disadvantaged segment of the society. And this kind of extension education program which the School of Engineering and Technology has taken lead in the beginning, where we started with the tannery worker program, thereafter for construction workers, and then we have taken up the automobile sector, where we are now training and certifying the motorcycle technicians. Along with the footwear sector also we are working on. We are working on the village industry sector also. So this way the School of Engineering Technology has taken lead in the extension education programs, where we are teaching our students through latest methodology, as you are at this moment sitting at your place and listening us from Delhi. So the latest information and communication technologies which we are using for imparting instructions to our students. So these are the objectives of the university, where one and foremost objective of the university first is to democratize the education and to take the education to the doorstep of the learner. In some say we want to reach to the unreached, and it is also to encourage, coordinate and assist the open universities, other open universities in the country, state open universities. The conventional universities have a directorate of distance education or some correspondence course institutes. So we assist those institutes also in developing the need-based program as per the need of their locale. And finally, to strengthen the natural and human resource of the country through the medium of education. So these are the objectives of our university. Now I directly come to the auto industry, because we are just now having this program for the certificate in motorcycle service and repair. You can see on the screen at this moment, I can tell you the HRD scenario in the auto industry, and for that purpose, for any industry, if you see, there is a basically a triangle which can be made for the manpower which is working at the auto industry, and we can divide it in three parts. Basically, the uppermost part is the people who are the degree holders who are there in the industry. The middle one is for the diploma holders who are the sub-professional level. After diploma, they have joined the industry. There are so many avenues available for this segment of people who are diploma and join the industry to go for their BTech program or for degree through various part-time degree courses, or through the Indira Gandhi National Open University's BTech program, which are exclusively for diploma holders who are working. We have designed those programs for the diploma holders who are working to cater their customized need, and this type of program can also be taken up by diploma holders to go for degree. But the lower segment, which is the segment of trade people, it is basically the backbone of the industry, I refer always. So we have gone for this segment, where we are addressing at this moment the automobile worker, for whom no training and certification mechanism is in place by the existing educational system, as well as the walls of this segments are so rigid that this segment people, they cannot move forward in terms of their education or for the career growth. So Indira Gandhi National Open University has joined hands with Hero Honda Motors Limited to address this kind of learner, and we have developed a program called Certificate in Motorcycle Service and Repair, in which you all people have enrolled. We really we have developed this program for your kind of people, where those who are working in the industry and they want to upgrade their educational endeavor. So these are the programs for you people. Now we can see that why this type of programs were not there earlier. The reasons I'll quickly see: that no pedagogic advancement put forth to address this learner by the existing educational system. The learner group is from those who are at work. Basically, it is one of the hindrances that the people who are working are to be taught. The number is too large, and that too it is geographically distributed across the country. This is another problem. The foremost and most important reason of absence of this training opportunity for this kind of people is that the training pertains to work, whereas our existing educational system address only for the knowing, understanding, but not how to work. So here, this is the initiation where we are trying to teach you through the hands-on job training or from the practical session to make you in a position that you can perform the work, not merely knowing or basically understanding the work. And finally, one of the reasons is that the employer also sometimes find it hard to spare his employees for this kind of training. So in light of all these all these reasons, we thought with the Hero Honda Motors Limited that we can address this learner through open learning and distance education, and through which only we are addressing you. And now we have developed this program which is based on the open learning and distance education philosophy. Now we see the basic question: why this training and certification? How it is going to help you, this training and certification? The first is the recognition of your skill. Basically, the thing which you are doing for the last 10 years, and effort is now on for documenting your skills. A certificate is to be issued whereby you are being certified that you know all these things, you can do all these things. Enhance customer satisfaction. Definitely, when a certificate is there at your shop or wherever you are working, a customer sees this joint certification from two mega organizations, from Indira Gandhi National Open University and Hero Honda Motors Limited. Definitely, the customer satisfaction is always there. The wider acceptability in the industry, in the country and abroad. Tomorrow, if you want to you decide to go out of country, at that time also there is a certificate from a central university. This may help you for your visa requirement. It enhances your confidence also. You will find after taking this training, the structured training, you will also have definitely enhanced confidence in terms of quality and productivity. The improved service condition and wages is definitely, it is obvious that when you are certified, then your wages and service conditions will be improved. And tomorrow there may be some legislative requirement also from government side. So in that time also this certificate will be beneficial to you. Now for this program, IGNOU Hero Honda Motorcycle Technician Competency Development Project, which has been developed, it's a joint initiation of both the organization. For this particular segment, we have developed a competency-based vocational qualification system where you will be taught by this system, where we have found out some standards. Those standards are to be achieved by the candidate, and for achieving those standards, you have to generate some evidences before the examining body. This is the system which has been developed to train you in this program. I'll be giving you a little bit details of this. Here in the third booklet, you will find towards the end there are the competency statements which deals with this competency based vocational qualification system, where we have developed the basic competency, thereafter the standards which have come from the industry. For each and every standard we have developed the performance criteria, and for each standard we have developed three kinds of evidences. They are performance evidence, supplementary evidence and prior achievement evidence. A person who has to generate these all the three evidences before the examining body, and if he gets three ticks for all these three evidences, then only he will be considered as successfully completing this program, and he will be only awarded certificate. He will be certified once he clears all the three evidences. For example, you can see on the screen that this is an illustrative list of performance standards for this program. understand basic terms and definition, air filter cleaning, slater plate and ST coil resistance, value checking, carburetor cleaning and tuning. These are the standards which have been supplied by the industry. Industry says that a person, if he is capable of doing all these things, then they are ready to accept them. Now on the basis of their standard, we have designed our curriculum, and then on the basis of that curriculum, we have developed our courseware, and on that basis of courseware, the training is being imparted in different components in this program. Now, we see at a glance for this program, it's a competency certificate programs of 2 months. It's a non-credit program. The program fee is 850 rupees. The mode of delivery is the amalgam of face-to-face contact session supplemented by the open and distance learning system. The courseware which has been developed for this program are having the 4 booklets. One is the starter kit, which gives all the details of the motorcycle, its systems, motorcycle service and maintenance, motorcycle repair and troubleshooting, technician's workbook. You can see here are the details of the course material which has been supplied to you. It is NET 001, the starter kit. Second is the NET 002, motorcycle service and maintenance. And thirdly is the repair and troubleshooting. So these are the 3 booklets along with the 4th booklet of that workbook, which is day-to-day documentation, what you do during your hands-on job training session. Conceptual schematic for this program, if you see on your screen, your own learning environment where the booklets are with you and you have to study your things as a self-study. 4 notes are available on all the 2 sites of yours. One is the IGNOU Regional Center in the city, which is there for helping you administratively. IGNOU Hero Honda Project Office located in IGNOU campus, where we are there in School of Engineering Technology to help you. On the right hand side, IGNOU Hero Honda Training Center, where you have to go for different purposes on different days. I will be covering in next 5 minutes. And the Hero Honda Dealers Workshop, where you will be attached for the hands-on job training session. So these are the 4 notes available for you, and these will help you during the course of your studies for this program. If we see the earlier program cycles and their related details here, sir, so far we have conducted 5 cycles. And these are the details at this moment shown on the screen, that the first, second, third cycle were conducted at the 4 zonal locations of Hero Honda Motors Limited, where 71, 58 and 61 respectively candidates were trained. In the 4th cycle, this was extended to area training centers. 4th and 5th cycles we conducted at 8 places, and we got 163 and 151 candidates. In the 6th cycle, for which orientation and induction is at this moment we are conducting, it has been launched at 11 places. It is on offer from 11 places, and in this cycle 199 candidates have registered for this program. We are running this 2 months program after 1 month break every time, so that we do our collection of forms and other things, and this way in a year we are conducting 4 cycles. So this is the 6th cycle after we initiated this program in 2006 April, and in this 199 students have enrolled. Put together till date 703 candidates have taken admission in this program. For activities and days of conduction for this program, first activity is the induction and orientation session, in which you are just now sitting. The next activity will be training and demonstration session, which will be conducted 4 consecutive Sundays starting from 2nd Sunday of the first month. Then the hands-on job training session will be conducted from the 6th Monday to Saturday at the Hero Honda Dealers Workshop. On the 7th Sunday, you may come back to the training center if you have any doubts, and on the 8th or the last Sunday of the program duration, you will be tested through the TED test, and finally you will be awarded certificate if you successfully clear the requirement of this program. So these are the activities under which you have to go through for this program, and the other side, the days of conduction have been shown. By a graphic, if we see, there is a month 1 and month 2 having Sundays, all the 4 and 4 Sundays, 8 Sundays. 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th Sundays, you can see the color coding training and demonstration session to be conducted at training center. The 1st and 6th is basically your free Sundays, where you have to do your self-study. The 7th Sunday is for conducting your concluding counseling session, and the 8th Sunday is the trade test. And in between all these Sundays, the time is for you to work and self-study, because course material is with you. You can study that course material. You have any doubts, you can clear that in the next Sunday coming to your center. from between first to second Sunday, the induction and orientation, which is there on the 10th. Today, 12th is second Sunday. So before second Sunday, I said the induction and orientation will be conducted. So it is being conducted today on 10th. And then between 6th to 7th, this is the hands-on job training session, which will be there at the Hero Honda's dealers workshop, where you will be attached for continuously 6 days. So this is the process flow or the educational administration of this program. If for particular 6th cycle, if I see on the screen, you can see the dates. The August 12, 19, 26 and 2nd September will be the training and demonstration session at the training center. Hands-on job training will be during September 10 to 15. Concluding counseling session will be on September 16, 2007, and trade test finally will be on September 23rd, 2007. This is specifically for this cycle. Now I can show you some photographs which have been taken. You can see the release of this courseware by Honorable Vice Chancellor at Mitra Niketan last month, where this course material was released by Honorable Vice Chancellor. This is a photograph. Now this signing of MOU for this program to be initiated in Don Bosco Vyavasayik Prashikshan Kendra in Pune. This is the MOU signing ceremony at Pune. You can see that CMSR certificate distribution ceremony we conducted at Pune, Bangalore and Kolkata. So this is the photographs from Pune. This is the photograph from Kolkata. You can see where the certificates were awarded to the successful candidates. The format of certificate which is awarded after this, it is on your screen. You can see now the certificates are already there in the with the people, so you can see those certificates also. So this way we come to the end of this presentation. If at the regional center or even at the headquarters studios, if you have any questions, they can ask, but we can otherwise go ahead with the certificate presentation ceremony with the permission of Honorable Vice Chancellor. For this certificate distribution ceremony, I can invite people who can come here and take certificate and go back to their seats. Now I request Honorable Vice Chancellor to give certificates to the students of first batch from Delhi. Om Veer. Baljeet Singh. Jagtar Singh. Viren. Harvinder ji. Thank you, sir. Now I request Mr. Dua to give away the certificates to the successful candidate of second cycle. Saten Kumar. Lalit Mohan Bhatt. Manjeet. Rasim Khan. Prem Singh Chauhan. Thank you, sir. Now I request Mr. Mukhija to distribute the certificate of the third batch of certificate in motorcycle service and repair for Delhi region. Lalit Kumar. Priyavrat. Bhagat Singh. Manoj Sharma. Sunil Kumar. Thank you, Mr. Mukhija. Thank you very much, sir. Now I request Mr. Anil Dua, Honorable Vice President of Hero Honda Motors Limited, to address our students and other guests in the headquarters and at the regional centers. Sir.
Thank you, Professor Kulshresht. Honorable Vice Chancellor, other faculty on the dais, my colleagues from Hero Honda, friends here in the headquarters, all the regional centers and the regional directors of IGNOU and colleagues of Hero Honda and all my technician friends everywhere. A very good evening. It's my pleasure really to be talking to all of you through this medium. I'm indeed honored to be here today and to go through the presentation that you have made. It was really revealing, and I could see the kind of work that IGNOU and School of Engineering and Technology are doing in various fields. It was also very heartwarming for me to see these young technician friends receive the certificates, and I can see it on their faces that they are feeling very proud of the certificates that they've received, and that's a real satisfaction. Technician fraternity has been a very important part of the automobile industry, but they have remained at the periphery of the two-wheeler industry for all these years. Hero Honda has always made an effort to bring them center stage and to bring them in the mainstream. Through our technician relationship programs, through our local training programs, we have always tried to integrate technicians into the industry and into our programs. With the same intention, Hero Honda joined hands with IGNOU a few years back to offer the certificate to the technicians across the country. As Professor Kulshresht said, it started in April 2006, and I'm glad to learn about the progress that the program has made. I can see that it is getting exceedingly popular. I can see that the highest ever number of participants enrolled for the 6th batch, almost 200 people, taking the total tally to 700. Today, the program has been operating in 8 centers till the 5th batch, and I'm glad to see that 3 more centers have been added, and now the program will be available at 11 centers. It was nice to see the inauguration ceremonies at Pune, Thiruvananthapuram, and Guwahati. It's good to see that more and more technicians are going to be benefiting from this joint venture between IGNOU and Hero Honda across the country. This program has been made keeping you all in mind, keeping all the technician friends in mind. Professor Kulshresht outlined the key benefits, but I thought I must also just touch upon the benefits as we see them for all our technician friends. First and foremost, I think this is a career opportunity. This is putting you on a higher pedestal. This is essentially recognizing that everyone needs development and that everyone can do better with their development opportunity. Indeed, when you have this certificate available at your workshop, I can see customers treating you as the preferred choice. I'm sure that the 850 rupees program fees that I noticed in the presentation is something that is going to pay back very, very quickly and very soon as you go back. I believe, I'm told that there are many of you who have received certificates in the past, today listening to us at the various regional centers, and I'm sure you've already seen that happen. So it's not only the immediate personal development and the business gain, but I think it's a future that it unlocks for you. I think very clearly it opens up employment opportunities at Hero Honda dealerships for you. First, also it opens much larger canvas for you to be even eligible for being authorized service centers for Hero Honda or indeed for some of our dealers. This also means that you will be part of all the technician relationship programs that Hero Honda dealers organize in various parts of the country. You will also be continuously kept abreast of the model news and the new service information that keeps coming from time to time. And I'm sure this also makes you eligible for higher training programs offered by IGNOU as you go along. As Professor Kulshresht showed, that there are ample opportunities available for people at the upper two levels of the pyramid. But at the lower level of pyramid, this is a unique initiative that has been taken through the joint initiative of IGNOU and Hero Honda, and this gets you started on that path, and hopefully it is going to take you far. I want to reiterate that Hero Honda is very committed to this initiative. For us, technicians are at the center of this entire program, and we will stay committed to this program, and we'll keep investing behind this program and behind all of you. I want to take this opportunity to thank IGNOU, to thank Vice Chancellor Pillai for all the support that they have lent and all the staff which has worked tirelessly behind this program, of which I keep getting told regularly, and it was nice to see firsthand the achievements that it has notched up. So I wish all the entire faculty, the entire team all the very best, and I wish all the participants enrolling for the 6th program all the very best. Congratulations to people receiving certificates, and thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Now I request our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Pillai, to address us and give us the blessings for this program.
Mr. Anil Dua, Honorable Vice President of Hero Honda Motors Limited, Mr. Mukeja, my colleagues from the School of Engineering and Technology, dear certified technicians, participants of this teleconference in the various regional centers of the university, other distinguished invitees. First of all, let me congratulate the technicians who have received the certification, competency certification from the Indira Gandhi National University under this joint program of IGNOU and Hero Honda Motors Limited. I take this opportunity to congratulate each and every one of you for your achievements. It is very important that you get the state-of-the-art training in your own area of motorcycle repair and service. It will also place you at a higher pedestal in the sense that this certificate will fetch you more acceptability. And in the job market also you will find it much more useful. Providing the necessary skills and then certifying it appropriately by a national university or a national body and jointly with a very prominent industry, that is the requirement of the time. If you just look at the workforce in the country, you will see that only 5 to 6% of the total workforce in the country have some sort of a certified skill, and therefore it is very important, very necessary that we should identify mechanisms, we should evolve procedures, we should delineate collaborations of this kind, to upgrade the knowledge and skills of the workforce in the country, particularly the mechanical workforce, technicians workforce, and the workforce at the lower strata of the total work pyramid. And this is one attempt which the Indira Gandhi National Open University has been doing successfully with Hero Honda Motors Limited. We will continue to strengthen this program. We will expand this program in a very effective way. We will also see to it that those who are getting the certificate, after a few years of further upgradation of your skills and capabilities, you will achieve much higher levels of certificate. You will get opportunities for getting further training and further certification, so that you can have some sort of a vertical mobility in your professional or job opportunities. We also think of several other programs which in capacity building and technicians upgradations possibilities. We look forward to further fruitful collaboration from the Hero Honda Motors Limited in our venture. Once again, I congratulate each and every one of my faculty members in the university, as well as the officers, colleagues from the Hero Honda Motors Limited for this venture. I wish this program all success. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir, for giving us the way to go for this program, to take this program to other heights, to start new programs, to build some program over this program. The indications are very clear that we have the plans to start some diploma program or other programs which can be built up on this certificate program. Now for the friends at regional centers, the house is open for all interaction and discussions. If you have any queries, I would like to request all the regional center colleagues, please now start calling. Now the house is open. In the meantime, as the time you take for making the phone calls, I want to share some information for this program, sir. For this cycle particularly, normally we were getting the forms from the Hero Honda Motors Limited, the offices and their officers through them. But this cycle, 5 forms directly we got from the candidates without any advertisement at any center. So this is a good indication that the students or the people who are working in this area, they have also started realizing the importance of this program, and they are directly sending the forms. Another information that in Pune, for the our Hero Honda center in Pune, 5 candidates have been sent by Indian Army, those who are working in Corps of Engineers, and these 5 candidates these 5 candidates have been sent by BEG and Center Kirkiri Pune for training of this 6th cycle, and they have joined the Pune center for that program. And even a step further, BEG and Center Pune, which is one of the training center of Corps of Engineers, they have also expressed their willingness to come up as one of our centers, because they have lot many tradesmen available with them, those whom they want to undergo for this training. So these are some of the informations about this, the 6th cycle, some initiatives. One more thing that till I get the phone call from centers, I am sharing this information. On translation, basically the Hindi version of this program is ready with us. This time we are sending some of the photocopies to our centers, but next cycle it will be print ready, and we'll be sending copies to our Hindi speaking area centers, and that you will be receiving in the following week, next week sometime. We are also on for the translating the courseware in Malayalam, which is being jointly taken up by the Mitra Niketan and our regional center Cochin. In Tamil, we have the center, Hero Honda center at Chennai, and our regional center definitely will be working for this shortly. And we have also we have started the work of translating this material in Assamese. Yeah, Chennai, please go ahead. Hello, Chennai. Yes. Yeah, I think there's a connection cut. Anyway, I was talking about that recently we joined hands with TRTC Guwahati, Tool Room and Training Center, which is a institution under Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise, MSME, and they have agreed to run this program in Guwahati. In Northeast region students particularly, I welcome you, and also want to share that for this program in Northeast region, the students need not to pay any fee. The 850 rupees fee for this program has been waived off. And Guwahati, hello, okay, Guwahati, please go ahead, Guwahati. Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon.
I am happy to announce that this program has been started, and from the TRTC we have 20 candidates who are attending this telecompetency testing series, and the translation work has also been initiated into Assamese language.
Thank you, Guwahati. Hello. Thank you, Mr. Sharma. Thank you very much, Guwahati, for this feedback that 20 candidates from Guwahati have registered. This information already reached to me. 18 candidates from Calcutta. Yes, that information is also with me. I was talking of the translation of this material in Assamese. Yes, we have cleared this proposal from our side. The RC Guwahati can go ahead for translating this course material in Assamese, which may be made available to the next cycle, which we have planned to start in November, because this cycle will be August, September. In October will be the break month, and then on November 1st we will start the next cycle. Jaipur. Raipur. Please go ahead, Raipur. Yes, Raipur. Yes. Thank you very much, Raipur. Thank you very much for expressing the desire to start this kind of program in our Raipur region. Definitely we have planned to start. The Hero Honda Motors Limited, they already have their office in Raipur, and I'll request our regional director Raipur to search for an institute which is ready and having the necessary infrastructure for this program. We can think of starting this program, because Raipur area definitely we want to launch this program. The only thing is that some institute we have to identify which has the necessary facilities and infrastructure required for this program. So, translation work which I was discussing, Assamese, the Tamil, Malayalam, the Bengali translation has already been done by the Hero Honda Center, Kolkata, where we have the plans to print those courseware in Bangla. other languages things can also be taken up for translation of this courseware if some initiative is made by the regional center or by the Hero Honda Training Center there, it can be considered. We have the plans to translate this course material in almost all the languages of the country where the students can be benefited with this program. Dodra. Vadodara. Yeah, Vadodara, please go ahead. Yes.
हाँ बोलते जाइए.
धन्यवाद धन्यवाद यादव जी. धन्यवाद यादव जी, आप से सुन के काफी अच्छा लगा. आप सेक्रेटरी हैं टू व्हीलर एसोसिएशन बड़ौदा के. आपके हेल्प के बिना ये प्रोग्राम नहीं चल सकता, ये निश्चित रूप से हम भी जानते हैं. और जहां तक आपने बात की है इस प्रोग्राम के गुजराती ट्रांसलेशन के लिए, मैं उसी में ही अर्ज कर रहा था कि हमारे जो रीजनल सेंटर हैं वो इस काम को लेंगे और हीरो होंडा के जो ऑफिसेज, लोकल ऑफिसेज हैं, डेफिनेटली हम इस प्रोग्राम को गुजराती में भी ट्रांसलेट करेंगे. जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि हमारा प्लान है कि हम हर भाषा में इसको पहुंचाना चाहते हैं, हर उस छात्र तक जिस भाषा में भी वो शिक्षा प्राप्त करना चाहता हो. आपका सुझाव हमने नोट कर लिया है और निश्चित रूप से हम गुजराती ट्रांसलेशन में इस पे काम करेंगे. और हम आपसे अनुरोध करेंगे कि इस प्रोग्राम को, आप एक एसोसिएशन हैं, आप उस एसोसिएशन के सेक्रेटरी हैं, आप इस प्रोग्राम को हमारे जितने भी मैकेनिक भाई हैं वहां तक पहुंचाएं, इसकी जानकारी पहुंचाएं, जिससे अधिक से अधिक लोगों तक हम इस प्रोग्राम का लाभ पहुंचा सकें. धन्यवाद. If we just now, if we can go for concluding. If anybody, any regional, yeah, Chennai, please go ahead. Yes. Yes, go ahead. Yes, yes, please go ahead.
Hello, there is one request, please. Please lower the volume of your TV set.
Okay.
Yes, Mr. Tirupati. Yes.
You can come up.
Yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Rao. For the information for the sixth cycle in Chennai region, we have all the 23 candidates from, they are being sponsored by the Two-Wheeler Association of Chennai, and they have in line for the next cycles also the candidate. So this way the awareness is coming where these two-wheeler associations, they are coming forward in Pune also, and I have talked in Delhi also, these two-wheeler association. So we can reach to these candidates through these associations, and the Chennai has taken the lead role in that, and recently we got the feedback from Baroda also that in the next cycle they will be doing. Yeah, Trivandrum, please go ahead.
This is a new center. We have just started the program. We have 21 students registered for the course, and we are happy to watch the program directly. And we also initiated the translation work in Malayalam. We are very happy to join you in this program. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Raghu. Thank you very much that in the first batch 21 candidates have come to your institute. It's really marvelous to hear from you, and it is also good to hear that you have already started the Malayalam translation work of our course material. Thank you very much. If any other regional center just now wants to make a call, otherwise we can wind up this program. In Trivandrum, this Mitra Niketan is one NGO. Yes?
There is another call from Hyderabad, please.
Yes, Hyderabad, please go ahead.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, you told that you are translated in Tamil and Malayalam, this portion has. Do you have any plan to translate in the Telugu medium?
Any other question? Okay. Yes, we have the plan to translate the course material in most of the languages wherever it is required. Yes, Telugu also we have the plan. As soon as we'll have the facilities through our Hyderabad Regional Center and Hyderabad Hero Honda Training Center, some proposal comes for after identifying a person who can translate our things in Telugu, definitely we'll go ahead for translating our things in Telugu language. Yes? Guwahati, please go ahead. Guwahati.
मेरा नाम श्री सुदर्शन प्रकाश है, गुवाहाटी से। तो मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि हम जो ये सर्टिफिकेट लेके इंदिरा गांधी नेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी का अधीन में जो सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा मुझे, इन सर्टिफिकेट से मुझे क्या क्या लाभ होगा, और अगर इन सर्टिफिकेट रहते कोई प्राइवेट बैंक से या मुझे लोन मिल सकता है, और क्या उस सर्टिफिकेट को रहने से हम जो एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंज में हमारा नाम रजिस्टर कर सकता है?
धन्यवाद। डॉक्टर व्यास इसका जवाब देना
साहब,
चाहिए।
देखिए, आपकी जानकारी को हम बता दें कि ऐसे सर्टिफिकेट हमेशा आपके लिए लाभदायक होंगे, क्योंकि देखिए, दो बड़ी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जैसे कि इंदिरा गांधी नेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी और दूसरी तरफ से हीरो होंडा मोटर्स लिमिटेड, इतनी दो बड़ी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस ने आपके लिए प्रोग्राम डिजाइन किया है और जिसका कि सर्टिफिकेट आपको दिया जाएगा। ये सर्टिफिकेट निश्चय ही आपको मदद करेगा। अगर आप अपना खुद का रोजगार चलाना चाहते हैं तो बैंक के पास अगर अपना सर्टिफिकेट लेकर के जाएंगे, दे विल बी मोर हैप्पी, बहुत खुश होंगे, आपको लोन देने के लिए सर्टेनली तैयार होंगे। दूसरी चीज यह है कि इस सर्टिफिकेट को अगर आप अपनी दुकान में लगाएंगे, ग्राहक जब आपके पास आएंगे, आपका काम देखेंगे, सर्टिफिकेट देखेंगे, तो इससे निश्चय ही वो पहली बार तो आपके पास जरूर आएंगे, और फिर चूंकि आपने इस सर्टिफिकेट को पूरी तरह से ग्रहण किया है तो आप उनको अच्छा काम करके दे पाएंगे। और ऐसी स्थिति में मैं समझता हूं
डॉक्टर व्यास, पुणे का भी क्वेश्चन ले लेते हैं। पुणे, प्लीज गो अहेड। पुणे। यस,
हेलो, नमस्ते सर।
नमस्ते।
हाँ, मैं डॉन बॉस्को इंस्टीट्यूट पुणे से स्टूडेंट हूँ। तो हाँ सर, मैं फादर जेफरी से एडमिशन लिया हूँ उधर डॉन बॉस्को से। हमारा प्रॉब्लम ऐसा है कि हम खुद गैरेज ओनर्स है और हम आपके प्रोग्राम में ट्रेनिंग देने के लिए एडमिशन लिया है, लेकिन हमारा बेसिकली प्रॉब्लम ऐसा है कि हम लोगों को कंपनी के तरफ से ट्रेनिंग लेने के बाद स्पेशल टूल्स मिलने चाहिए और एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी जो आगे आई है, MPFI सिस्टम, मैनुअल बुक्स अवेलेबल होनी चाहिए। और दूसरा प्रॉब्लम ऐसा है कि खाली ट्रेनिंग लेने से धंधा नहीं करता, तो इससे हमको कंपनी की तरफ से एडवांस स्पेशल टूल्स, एडवांस अपना मैनुअल बुक्स और MPFI सिस्टम, ब्रेक सिस्टम और गाड़ी के ऊपर जो प्रॉब्लम आते, टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम्स आ रहे, मैकेनिकली प्रॉब्लम्स आ रहे, और इधर के जो ये जो अपने है डीलर्स लोग, वो हम लोगों के लिए स्पेयर डिस्काउंट में जरा ऊपर नीचे कर रहे। तो मैकेनिकल लोग अगर पेट भरेगा, कभी पेट भर सकता है जब भी वो काम करके उसको पैसा मिलेगा। अगर खाली ट्रेनिंग देके खाली पेट तो नहीं भरा जा सकता, इसलिए अगर कंपनी की तरफ से हम लोगों के लिए मिल जाए
कुछ कर सकते हैं तो आप करिए। हम गैरेज ओनर से खाली ट्रेनिंग लेके भी फायदा नहीं, एडवांस ट्रेनिंग चाहिए जो कंपनी की तरफ से हमको नहीं मिलती। और अभी चांस मिला है डॉन बॉस्को की तरफ से, फादर जेफरी की तरफ से हमको अभी पहली टाइम लाइफ में चांस मिला है आपकी कंपनी को ज्वाइन होने का, इसलिए हम लोग आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
अच्छा, जैसा कि मैं अभी कह रहा था कि इस प्रोग्राम करने के एडवांटेज क्या होंगे, तो उसमें मैंने बताया आपको कि जैसे आपके पास वो सर्टिफिकेट होगा, ग्राहक आपके पास आएगा, अगर आपको सेवा करके संतुष्टि प्रदान करेंगे तो एक ग्राहक 10 लोगों को बोलता है, और इस तरह से इसकी चेन रिएक्शन होती है और आपकी मार्केट में बहुत अच्छी रेपुटेशन बनेगी, जिससे बहुत ज्यादा ग्राहक आपके पास आएंगे। अगर आप अच्छा, ये सब आपको मदद करेगा, आपको रोजगार लेने में, आपकी तनख्वाह में बढ़ोतरी होगी, इसमें भी कोई संशय नहीं है। अगर आप देश विदेश में जाकर के भी काम करना चाहते हैं तो ये सब सर्टिफिकेट हमारा आपको वीसा रिक्वायरमेंट में हेल्प करेगा, वीसा आसानी से मिलेगा, आप विदेशों में जाकर के भी बच सकते हैं अगर आप चाहें तो, और देश के लिए विदेशी धन कमा करके देश की तरक्की ला सकते हैं। अच्छा, जैसा कि अभी ये महाशय बता रहे थे पुणे से कि इनको क्या फायदा होगा, देखिए हीरो होंडा क्या क्या आपको दे सकता है वो तो हीरो होंडा के ऑफिशियल्स आपको बताएंगे। दूसरी चीज, इसमें कोई संशय नहीं है कि अगर आपके पास ये सर्टिफिकेट है और आप बैंक के पास जाते हैं सर्टिफिकेट को लेकर के और ये कहते हैं कि हम अपनी वर्कशॉप को इस तरह से मॉडर्नाइज करना चाहते हैं, तो मुझे इसमें कोई संशय नहीं है कि ये बैंक आपको किसी तरह की मदद नहीं करेंगे। ऐसा मेरा सोचना बिल्कुल नहीं है, बल्कि मैं इस बारे में बता दूं, डॉक्टर मनोज इस पर ज्यादा प्रकाश डाल पाएंगे। देयर इज वन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कॉल्ड रूटसेट. It is working in association with certain banks like Canara Bank and some other bank. I think you can talk better on that. So these banks are ready to help you. It is only that for you to grab this opportunity. और बाकी जो हीरो होंडा आपके लिए और क्या कर सकता है, क्या आपको कुछ सब्सिडाइज टूल मुहैया करा सकता है, इस बारे में तो हीरो होंडा के जो ऑफिसर्स हमारे साथ हैं वो आपसे कुछ ज्यादा अच्छी तरह से कह सकते हैं।
ऐसा है साहब, मैं आपको एक चीज बताना चाहता हूँ हीरो होंडा की साइड से कि हीरो होंडा में जो है हम लोग के प्रोग्राम है, जैसे अभी आपको हमारे वाइस प्रेसिडेंट साहब ने बताया कि टेक्नीशियन रिलेशनशिप प्रोग्राम। इस प्रोग्राम के अंतर्गत हमारा एक सिस्टम है। अब ये सर्टिफिकेट लेने के बाद अगर आप एनरोल होते हैं टीआरपी के अंदर, जो पूना में ऑलरेडी चल रहा है, आप हमारे एरिया ऑफिस से संपर्क कीजिए तो हम आपको टूल्स वगैरह जो है सब्सिडाइज रेट के ऊपर हम आपको अवेलेबल करा सकते हैं आपकी वर्कशॉप के लिए। तो इसका कुछ नियम है, कुछ सिस्टम है इसका टीआरपी का। तो मैं आपको ये सजेस्ट करूंगा कि आप हमारे रीजनल ऑफिस, जो जोनल ऑफिस पूना में है, या जो हमारे ट्रेनिंग मैनेजर पांसे हैं वहाँ पे, विनायक पांसे, आप उनसे मिलिए, वो इस प्रोग्राम के बारे में आपको बताएंगे और आपका एनरोलमेंट इसमें हो सकता है सर्टिफिकेट लेने के बाद, और आपको टूल्स और जो भी टेक्निकल जानकारी है और जो भी इस प्रोग्राम से फायदे हैं वो सारे फायदे हम आपको देंगे, और टूल्स आपको एक सब्सिडाइज कॉस्ट पे मिलेंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Guwahati, please go ahead, Guwahati. हाँ बताइए, हाँ बताइए गुवाहाटी। हम्म,
So this training also we committed to you, sir, that here our board dealer will help in all the practice, make them skill in our practical training in our workshop. And lastly, I would like to say that I am a Rotary member of the Rotary International last 32 years, where we sponsor the students, roadside boys who are slightly mechanical line, that all the technical whatever may be, like two-wheeler, four-wheeler, and the repairing and other stuff repairing, where we sponsor these boys and we call them, take the interview, and through the member of the club here at Guwahati, such as I am a dealer of two-wheeler, I take two boys to train him. And another member is such as the TV dealer, he also trained for the TV, like their refrigerator, like that we used to do. Now henceforth, I will advise our class to all the boys application like that, and we will sponsor these boys to this organization. From where they will get a good certificate training organization. That is my commitment. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you. It was good to hear from Hero Honda dealer and gentleman has promised that he will sponsor people. Thank you very much for this initiative. Yeah, Chennai, please come. Go ahead. Yes, sir. Please reduce the voice of your TV set. Thank you, sir. Your point has been well taken. We'll keep in mind, and we are also thinking in Tamil Nadu area. I was told that Coimbatore, some institute has been identified, and in the next cycle we can start our program in Coimbatore also. So it is good initiative of Two-Wheeler Dealers Association. Also at different locations they are sponsoring people. This is a good sign for this program. So here I close this interaction session with the regional centers and other invitees. Now we straight go for the vote of thanks, and I request Dr. Vyas to propose the vote of thanks for today's program for the dignitaries.
Thank you, Dr. Manoj. Before proposing a vote of thanks, I would like to add to your information that the persons who have undergone this training and getting certificates, IGNOU was approached by one of the organizations. They were seeking details of the candidates who have undergone this certificate and wanted to offer the employment opportunities to them. If you are seeking that kind of help, kindly let us know. We will also go ahead in helping them. But before that, what I would say, please go ahead, work wherever you are working at present, hone your skills, and then come demand better wages. And if you are still remain unemployed or whatsoever, then please approach us, approach Hero Honda. I am 100% sure that you all will get suitable placement. Thank you for that. Now I come to my formal vote of thanks. See, when any ceremony comes to an end, a formal vote of thanks is proposed, and I have been given this pleasant duty. I, Dr. Shiv Kumar Vyas, am feeling proudly honored and privileged to have been given this responsibility to propose a vote of thanks on the occasion of certificate distribution to candidates of CMSR program and induction cum orientation session of our new learners to this program. I would wish to be brief on the occasion. First of all, I would like to thank our respectable Vice Chancellor Professor B.N.R. Rajsekharan Pillai for his confidence in our team at the School of Engineering and Technology. Professor Pillai provides his vision for imparting education and training to the unreached masses. In fact, our Honorable VC have kindly agreed to grace this occasion on a very short notice. We are thankful to him for his continued guidance and support in all respect. We shall always remain indebted to him for the same, and with utmost sincerity implement his vision and mission in letter and spirit, sir. I, on behalf of IGNOU and on my personal behalf, extend my heartfelt thanks to Sri Anil Dua, the Vice President of Hero Honda Motors Limited, for his agreeing to grace this occasion and spare his valuable moments here with us, and especially with the students of our joint certificate program in motorcycle service and repair. We all feel elated with your presence. In fact, this certificate distribution program was long overdue, and we had been keenly waiting for this program to happen, and to ensure his presence to boost our morale in this endeavor of industry-university partnership. We thank you, sir, for all your support that you have showered on us to achieve this common goal of educating the poor and marginalized, and disseminating of skills and training for the job-oriented, meaningful vocational education and training. Thank you once again, sir. I would also like to place on record my sincere thanks to Mr. Rajesh Mukhija and Mr. Amit Kumar, Mr. Rajneesh and his team of HSML for their untiring efforts and support given to this program. Mr. Mukhija is always there to extend his cooperation and guidance to make this joint initiative a success. In fact, he would always love to receive our calls at any hours as well. Thank you, sir. I also take the opportunity to thank Professor P. Srinivas Kumar, our acting director for the School of Engineering and Technology, for providing his support in each and every sphere of facilitating the working of IGNOU HSML project at the School of Engineering and Technology. My thanks are due to each and every member of IGNOU fraternity present at the Regional Center, Director, Electronic Media and Production Center and his team, faculty and staff of our School of Engineering and Technology, and to all those who directly or indirectly contributed in the shaping of this program and making it a success. I would also like to thank the School of Sciences, who have been generous in sparing their slot for the benefit of our program. So I must place thanks on record. Finally, the last but not the least, I would like to congratulate all the learners who have put in their hard work and earned these certificates today, and also to those who are in the process of acquiring the same. My thanks are due to all of them who could present themselves here. In fact, IGNOU is there because of its students, and we coexist together. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much to all of you.